Hey everyone, it is Jen Sullivan, and this is my page where I'm giving you some of the PNG files that I make that I use for my graphics, and so you'll be able to make your own. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial in case you didn't know how to use these, just so you know what to do. So first thing that you're going to need is you want to take a selfie picture of you, at least in this particular one that I'm showing you, and kind of get the pictures that you want to layer together first in preparation. The other thing that you're going to want to do is I download the PNG file that I provided to you. That black space that you see, that's the transparent part, the picture that makes the ability to layer it and look like it's all one picture. So I have an iPhone, so I use Over. You might not, if you have an Android, I was told that Over isn't available for Android. I can't confirm that, but what you can do is look for an application where you can overlay different like text or pictures together, basically. So what you're going to do, at least with Over, is what I'm going to show you. You're going to hit the plus sign. And the first thing that you're going to do is pull up the file that I downloaded or gave to you, whichever one you want to use. And then what you start doing is you start layering what you want to do. So in this particular thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this over because I want to create some text. I am going to add, because of the blank space to the right there, what I am going to do is I'm going to include it to be white as well, so that it's a blank canvas for me to have room to put my text. Just so that you know, at least with Over, if you push that little circle right there that is right there, what happens with the target is you can change the color of whatever shape that you put in. So I could technically leave it like this if I wanted to, and then it'll be black. You can choose the color black by moving the bar there. However, if you want to have it to be a specific color that's already in there so they match, that's something that you can do, okay? Next thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my picture. So I'm going to go to the left. The picture that I want to include is going to be a selfie picture, especially when you're, at least for this particular graphic, I do recommend a selfie to some extent because Facebook Live, you are usually doing a selfie. So if you do like a posed picture, it looks a little bit strange and not very realistic. So I'm resizing it a little bit from the get-go, and you see how my picture is in the front first, but what I want to do is I want to change the order of the layer. So what I did, let me go back, there's a top button that has like stacked papers, and when you push that, you get the option of now moving around, so the three lines and my fingers on it, and I'm moving the order that I want the pictures to be in. So now if you see, it's now behind the file that I gave to you. The last thing that you can do if you want to is now add text to it. So you can say tips, going live to give you tips on, for me, I'll just put network marketing. That's very generic. I'd probably be more specific, but there you go. Now, you just kind of have to play around with it a little bit so that you become familiar with how to use everything. But that is basically what it is, so that you can create your own graphics within a few minutes with what I'm providing to you. To save this, at the right, there is a download button up top, and I just hit save image. And now the picture is ready on my camera roll on my phone for me to be able to download onto whatever social media platform that I'm using. So I hope you are able to use this graphic and have a lot of fun. If you have any questions, let me know.